Here we go, 4th graders. We're going to take a look at this House Hunters assignment that we are working on. So, what I want to show you is one second here. Morning. So we're going to look at this spreadsheet a little bit here. And most of you are at this point where you're talking about the square footage. So what you have to do is look at your house number here and type in the square footage. So you should have this typed in. If you don't, I'm going to show you the square footage. So to explain the square footage, it is how big the house is. So like if I look right here, I've got this house here, 1,736 square feet. Here's another, that's 2016. So let's call this house 1 and house 2. So I'm going to type in house 1. If I can get back to it here. So house 1. Okay, this is loading. So I'm going to click on the order square footage tab. I'm going to type in 1,076. Then I'm going to go to house 2. Forgot what house 2 was, so I'm going to go back here and look. Oh, 1,736, 2016. So 1,000, put a comma there, so 36, then 2016. And I would do it for the rest of those. And then I have to use my knowledge of place value to order the square footage from least to greatest. So the smallest square footage would go here, the greatest would go there. So when you come to group today, you need to get to this point. If you are on SumDog, you need to skip SumDog until you get to this. You must be at this point when you come see me in group